Hello again. Hello again. This is Brian Rowley, known as Brian Dream Trader on the Convergent trading platform, and I've just finished up on creating this blog post, so I'm going to start from the start. Let's see if it's all in there. Okay, here we go. So I actually had a script I was following, recording this video, and the name of this blog post is Analyzing Jobs Friday, which happened yesterday. This is Saturday morning. This is it. You can read this. Obviously, I'm not going to read it to you, but to show you some of the things that are in here and kind of explain. This is a 15-minute chart, and then I switched to a 1-minute chart to show you the scene of the crime and the return to the scene of the crime. So price was here, it came pretty much back to there, but it's a little lower, but it's in the same range basically. And this is how I would like to have traded it, since I did not get it this time. All of this would have happened before the market opened on Friday. And I'm recording this video. I'm recording a video now for my own accountability and to just make a record of what's here on this post. And now I'll just show you some of the images and why, some of the reasoning behind some of the images I've made regarding this, and hope that I'm getting a good recording this time. In the end, here's the deal. I was looking for the jobs report because I knew it was coming, and then I wanted to see how could I have prepared better for it by using some analysis. This is just Fibonacci on here for a retrace back to the golden ratio, and then if I got filled here, I would have one contract at this price, the 72.25, and then if I noticed that I could get it at this price, which would be 71.50, maybe I get a better price the next time I come in. I probably buy at 71.75 just to make sure I get filled. And then because I have two contracts, if my original stop was a 2-point stop loss, then I have to adjust my stop loss for two contracts or twice my position, depending on how many contracts you buy at one point, which puts it pretty doggone tight to the price as it was. Nonetheless, we move on, but the reason I wanted to show you some of this is because I have reasons behind some of the things I was thinking. And so if we look to the left, which means a longer time frame, I know nobody wants to trade in the 1-minute time frame, but so this is the end of November, and you can see how you might have a bias to the upside by now, because, well, that's what it is. And so there it is. And this is obviously now all messed up because of the time frame change that I've made here. So if we go back to that time and date, there's the jobs report, here's the analysis, and this is the reason my bias is to the upside. So that explains some of that. Let me see where I am on my timing. So that's 4 minutes of explanation for how all of this came to be. And then if you take it to the next, I was going to explain for myself how I might have reasoned through this to take a trade in this area to catch that last part of the day. But had I gone long, as is documented in my blog post, I would already have been in a trade and not getting the 28 points that were available to me. But this is not a coulda, shoulda, woulda video. This is let's get it right next time, and now I have a clear record of what to look for and maybe how I will analyze and behave the next time it is Jobs Friday. So there we are. This is Brian Rowley, Brian Dream Trader on the Convergent trading platform. Have a great day.